Good morning, my dear sewing and embroidering friends. My name is Elizabeth. My beloved friend asked me to sew a Christmas stocking for her. We choose a very interesting version of a Christmas stocking together. My favorite patchwork will take central stage this time. The holiday spirit is here. I open my treasured box of fabric scraps. Tulle is in the hoop. I outline our project. I want all the ornaments on the Christmas stocking to be three-dimensional. For this, I use synthetic padding and the base fabric on top. I sew all the layers together. Now we start sewing on the smaller details. The first piece of fabric. Here I mark the placement of the second piece of fabric. The third, the fourth, and finally the fifth. Once again, I secure all the layers around the edges. We begin to add decorative elements, 2 tapes of mesh, important Christmas themed plain ornaments, snowflakes, poinsettias, buttons, flowers, and swirls. I embroider everything that matches this creation. Done. I take it out of the hoop. I trim away the excess. Next, I need to cut the lining and the backing piece. And one more piece of padding. Padding the main fabric and our embroidery piece on top. I pin all the layers together. I sew these 3 pieces together. I trim away the excess. In curved areas, I make small cuts on the seam allowances or trim away the extra allowances. This is the lining. It's simple. I need to sew 2 pieces together along the edges. It's important not to forget to leave an opening for turning. I also trim away the extra seam allowances. Since the Christmas stocking will hang, let's sew a ribbon loop. Let's also add this decorative ribbon along the top edge. Almost done. I place the lining inside the stocking and sew it in place. I turn it inside out. I close the opening. The vintage Christmas stocking is ready. My friend is delighted. I already sent her a photo. Merry Christmas! Thank you for being with me. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Love you. Bye bye.